Welcome to this new RAWSTER photo Lightroom tutorial. My name is Mark Terroy, I'm a Dutch-based photographer, and today I will give you a new Lightroom tip. Enjoy watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because more videos are coming soon. So when you have your photos in the Lightroom library, maybe you already applied keywords during the import, but in general those keywords are not very specific because they have to apply for all the photos you import. So I have some photos here and I want to apply extra keywords that are more specific to the photo. So the way I'm going to do that in a super fast way is by using the painter. And if you use the painter, you can decide what you want to paint. In this case I want to paint keywords, but you can also apply this with flags or ratings or, well, rotation. Quite some options. So what I'm going to do is I want to apply the keyword beach for all the photos where the beach is visible. So what I can do is I can simply click this photo and a keyword is applied, and I can click this photo and a keyword is applied. So you can click every single photo, but that still takes quite some time. So because of that, there's a faster way. What you can do, you can just hold the mouse button, the left button, and you can go over all the photos where the beach is visible, and I'm done. So this is basically how you can apply keywords in a super fast way. So I also want to add the keyword clouds, at least for the photos where the clouds are very nice. I do it in the same way. As you can see, I can do it very fast. I want to add long exposure to the photos where I use long exposure. So that's this photo, those two photos, those two, and done. There's a pier, a jetty. I want to add pier. So that's applied in those 5 photos. Here also. And actually this is, I think, one of the fastest way to apply keywords to your photo. So use the painter, make sure this setting is in keywords, enter the keywords you want to add, and just go over all the photos where you want to apply it.